I had like 14 things on my to-do list for the weekend. I got 7 done last night, and I think I got like 2 done today, but this is one of the biggest ones, so I'm feeling really good. What's up, and fam? Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new,
thanks for hanging with our crew.
Guys, today is Saturday. I'm super excited. It is,
I want pizza.
but there's areas where it's not people. I'm looking back there.
I want pizza.
I'm super excited. It's Saturday. I feel good because we are getting things off of my to-do list done. I'm going to be vlogging today and doing the photo shoot for none other than, you know, the vibes. So it just feels really good right now in Chicago. Like, it's so many people out. We're currently on Michigan, so you can see like the city is out. So we're going to try to find a nice quiet place to take our pics. And we are taking the boys to the Brookfield Zoo. So we're gonna see some animals. So getting work done, pleasure and play today.
Guys, guess what? I know how to spell zoo. D-O-O.
Good job. Bless you, Kicey Wicey. So we finally made it to the zoo. It is hot out here, especially with the mask on. Are you guys excited? Mm-hmm. Are you scared of that? Yeah, we only been here for 3 minutes. He's talking about he hot and thirsty. Hi, so we ready to see some stuff, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to look to see animals.
Right, we want to see animals, but Dada thirsty.
Yeah.
Say, come on, Dada.
Come on, Dada.
You looking distressed. All these animals look sad.
अच्छा ठीक है नहीं आप देखो आराम से बिल्कुल बहुत
So we left the zoo and we're headed to our favorite spot in the city to come shoot. It has been a long day. We tried to shoot before we went to the zoo, and that didn't work out too long because we had reservations. So, and fam, it's a wrap. Another successful photo shoot. I feel so excited that we finished before the sunset. It looks like it's trying to set. But I just feel so good. Like, we've been trying to get this done for how many weeks?
Like 2 weeks.
I think it was more than 2 weeks. I think we've been trying. Guys, come back here. I think we've been trying to do this photo shoot for probably about a month.
No, it's been like 2 weeks.
3 weeks. We're going in the middle. We'll do 3 weeks. Let's say 3 weeks. We've been trying to do this photo shoot for 3 weeks, and we finally got it done. So we're actually gonna spend the rest of this night or evening in the city. Probably go out to dinner, maybe somewhere on the patio, and then we'll go to our hotel. I had like 14 things on my to-do list for the weekend. I got 7 done last night, and I think I got like 2 done today, but this is one of the biggest ones. So I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling super accomplished. So yeah, that's a wrap.
So it is officially Sunday morning. We are up getting ready. It's been a great weekend. I got some good sleep. Got a lot accomplished yesterday. So today is pretty much gonna be getting prepared for the week ahead. So we're gonna start the day with going to breakfast. After breakfast, later we have to go visit my dad. His birthday was Friday, so he's having a little get together at his house today. So after breakfast, I'll probably go do a little bit of shopping, and yeah. So happy Sunday to you and your family.
Shopping for my papa, baby.
So happy Sunday to you and your family.
Shopping for my papa, so we can.
And hope you guys have a great Sunday.
We need to give him a gift.
Yeah, we got to give him a gift. So yeah, stay tuned.
Hey and fam, so we are out about to eat breakfast. We were gonna go to Yoke, but Yoke was too busy, so we found this place called El Aventino, and they had breakfast, so this is what we're doing. So we went to this place last night, and we had dinner at this place called Recess. It was so good. Like, the vibe was good. It was an outdoor patio. It was so loud because they were playing, well, it wasn't so loud, but they were playing music, and we didn't want to get copyright, so we didn't film in there. But I'll input like a little clip right here. But it was basically indoor and outdoor. The outdoor patio was huge, and they had like multiple levels of outdoor patio. They were playing really good music. The food was great. The drinks were great. The waitresses were awesome. It was like a really, really good vibe. So me and TJ might go back to Recess by ourselves, and it's in the West Loop.
Didn't get a chance to record at the restaurant because I forgot I was hungry, so forgive me for that. But I didn't record going to the store because I was trying to hurry up, so forgive me for that too. So now we're
forgive you, huh?
riding in the car.
That's right.
Where we going? Right. I don't understand why she got her seat back, but she's sitting forward, which defeats the purpose. Because she can just scoot her seat all the way up, right? I think she's trying to be good back then. So yeah, about to get ready to head see my dad, take him his birthday gift, chill over there for a little bit, then go home, get ready for the week. Like going, get this new merch out here.
Saying something.
And we need more videos. We need more ugly videos.
Yeah, well what he said. Here's the basketball court I used to go to over
We
here.
used to live up there all the way in the top floor. And,
And she never come to the basketball
You gotta
court.
stick it out the window.
She used to watch me from the balcony. She used to watch me from the balcony instead of.
So, we are officially home. As you can see, I am ready to hit the bed, spend a long weekend. Got a lot accomplished. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to this video if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to tell a friend about And Fam. We love you and thanks for tuning in.